In this video, I'm going to talk about some of the basic settings that you can edit in your iCR account. In order to edit settings, you'll want to make sure you're in the Settings section of the application by tapping Settings on the left-hand side. Once you're in Settings, the first option you have on the left-hand side is Features. If you tap Features on the right-hand side, you'll see 5 different options that I will now explain to you. So the first one is Tips. And this is basically an on or off feature. So you either allow tips or you don't allow tips. If you do allow tips, you can also enable signature and tips on the tablet screen. So what this does is when a customer makes a purchase, and it's a credit or debit card purchase, then after you process the credit, or after you tap credit or debit as your payment method, there'll be a screen where the customer can insert or add the tips that they'd like to add and then sign for that transaction. Enable drawer count enables the application forcing the employee to open the drawer each morning, and I've discussed how to open the drawer in another video. Close all drawers enables a feature that will automatically force the application to close the drawer at a certain time of the day. So in this case, it's 12 a.m. So once 12 a.m. hits, nobody can make any more sales until they close the drawer and then reopen a new drawer. So you can tap this and you can edit that to be whatever time of day you'd like. Enable check print allows for, this is mostly for restaurants, it allows a receipt to be printed when a debit or credit transaction is processed that can be brought to the table, and the customer can add tips to it and sign the receipt. And lastly, enable self-ordering enables a sort of kiosk mode where customers can order, can sort of process their own transactions, do a self-checkout, and that feature will be explained in another video. So those are the 5 basic features that you'll find in your settings section.